Allow me to introduce MJ, a journalism major from Pembroke, Massachusetts. MJ is a recent graduate of Quinnipiac University who right after graduation landed a dream job as a sports anchor in Texas. He'll share with us some of the things students can take advantage of in and out of the classroom at QU. You're live, MJ.
Hey there, future Bobcats. Welcome inside our open air studio. When I first came to Quinnipiac, I knew what I wanted to be when I got older. That voice you hear up in the press box, broadcasting a game, or maybe the face you see reporting on it down on the sideline. I had the passion, I just needed some help getting there. And man, am I glad I chose Quinnipiac to help. Because now I'm working in the industry as a local TV sports anchor at the NBC affiliate in Wichita Falls, Texas. During my time at QU, I learned from professors with real-world experience in their field. Taking those lessons and applying them through our award-winning extracurricular activities, by the time I graduated, I had an amazing portfolio of work. I even had the opportunity to work alongside media professionals covering Division I athletics on the nation's biggest stage. Quinnipiac is consistently ranked as the top university in the country for job placement after graduation. Our students leverage a growing web of successful alumni from Boston to Los Angeles to find great internships and land great jobs. One of the best parts about our Bobcat family is how it all translates well beyond your time on campus. Staying in touch with former classmates, professors, administrators, everyone willing to help each other find and build success long after college is over. And that's why we call it being a Bobcat for life. My best memories from this university come from my time as a student journalist. The opportunities I had to hone my craft, they set me apart from my peers at other institutions when it came time for the job search. And the same can be said for whichever major you decide to pursue. That's all the time we've got. I'm MJ Baird, signing off. Alex, take it away.
Great work, MJ. I loved hearing about how the experiences you had and relationships you built at Quinnipiac helped prepare you for where you are professionally today. With over 60,000 alumni who are leaders in their respective fields, QU offers a global network that will support you professionally throughout your lifetime. Thanks, MJ.